the number 8 southeast gale or storm signal, amber rainstorm warning, and landslip warning are now in force. Typhoon Hegel is departing Hong Kong, and local winds are expected to weaken gradually. When the territory is no longer a general area affected by gale force winds, the observatory will issue the strong wind signal number 3 between 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. today. And winds will be stronger over the western part of Hong Kong at first, and members of the public should stay on the alert. At 9 a.m., Typhoon Hegel was centered at about 130 kilometers west of Hong Kong, and is forecast to move northwest or west-northwest at about 25 kilometers per hour, moving further inland and weaken gradually. And owing to the storm surge, and some low-lying areas may have flooding or backflow of seawater in the morning. Under the influence of the rain bands associated with Typhoon Hegel, we expect occasional heavy squally showers with thunderstorms today. As for the detailed weather forecast, strong to gale force winds from the south to southeast, occasionally storm force on high ground at first, and winds will moderate in the afternoon. Occasional heavy squally showers with thunderstorms, and seas will be very rough with swells. So members of the public are advised to stay away from the shoreline and not to engage in water sports. As for the weather outlook, occasional showers tomorrow, easing off later, and sunny periods in the following couple of days.
Coming up next, SpongeBob SquarePants Season 2.